Hello all, welcome to my videos. In this video, I'm going to show an AI-powered Chrome extension that I have built, and it acts as a meeting notes agent. So basically, instead of manually going through the entire transcript once the meeting has been entered, I can simply open this extension and ask the AI to do the job for me. So this extension is basically an agentic one, since it will call the LLM model multiple times based on the user request, and it uses Google Gemini to find a model in the backend to analyze the transcript. So let's see how this works. I already have configured the API key in this text box, and I have so the API key has been saved successfully. Before that, I will show the backend. Basically, I'm using Python app to run this application. So I have already started running this app, and here is the transcript that I have prepared for this demo. So it is basically a discussion between Tim Cook and Office Chaudhry regarding the iPhone 17 performance of sales. And let's see how the model works based on the user request. I will go and ask for the overall meeting summary. So it will process and it will give the response of complete meeting summary. Next request I will go with action item and to do. So it is thinking and it is giving the response that has been derived out of the meeting. And I will go and click about the sentiment analysis of individual speaker. And it goes and thinks and gives the response. For analysis, it shows the neutral analysis of sentiment. In fact, Tim Cook, it shows that positive or neutral. So this is how this extension works, and this is just a basic one that I have built. So that's all about this extension. Thank you all for watching.